Honorable Justice Sri Santosh Hegde, former Judge of the Supreme Court and former Lokayukta of Karnataka. Sri Dinesh Gundurao, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka. Sri C.N. Manjunath, eminent cardiologist and member of the Lok Sabha. Dr. H.S. Ballard, Pro-Chancellor, Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Mr. Dilip Jose, MD and CEO, Manipal Hospital, Bengaluru. Dr. Ranjan Pai, the Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group. Sri Govind Raj, Political Secretary to the Chief Minister of Karnataka and member of the Legislative Council. Miss Saptami Gowda, actress of Kannada, distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, and the star of today's evening function, my good friend and beloved Dr. H. Sudarshan Ballard, whose leadership biography is being launched today to mark his 50 years of dedicated service in healthcare. Greetings and namaskara to all other members of the Ballard family, Manipal family, friends and well-wishers who have gathered here in large numbers to celebrate 50 years of dedicated and compassionate service in the field of healthcare by Dr. Sudarshan Ballard. It gives me great happiness to be present here in the midst of galaxy of eminent leaders to witness the grand launch of Dr. Sudarshan Ballard's leadership biography, Leading with Compassion. The grand function today has been organized to celebrate a milestone moment in the life of every compassionate and great leader, the ever-smiling, pleasant and kind-hearted soul, Dr. H. Sudarshan Ballard, Chairman of Manipal Hospitals. He is a highly accomplished and a brilliant doctor. He worked in America in the 1980s for close to a decade, where he earned the prestigious United States triple board certification in 3 areas in clinical care, nephrology and internal medicine in a short duration, a record time. Dr. Ballard was at his professional peaks in America, gave up all the luxury that America had to offer and returned to India in 1991 to start his new chapter in Manipal Hospital, Bengaluru. Dr. Ballard, a pioneering visionary, started the nephrology departments and kidney transplant programs from the ground up. He established an institute for postgraduate program to train nephrologists. Many of his students have gone on to become successful nephrologists across our land and abroad. As a teacher, as a director, and as a chairman, he has always modeled servant leadership, always have the patient's welfare at heart. Dr. Ballal is one of the most sought after leaders in healthcare, not just in nephrology. Several governments have sought his opinion on policy making. During the COVID pandemic, we were ably helped by his counsel and advice and his calm presence. I always noticed whenever I have met him that he is able to keep his smile and a spirit of kindness no matter what the situation is around him. Whether it is high pleasure or no pleasure, there is a sense of stoicism and equilibrium that can come only from a deep well of kindness instilled by his loving parents and the divine. He is a man of deep faith and a person who is gracious, kind and generous in wanting to help especially the depressed classes and the needy. Dr. Ballal does not talk about his quiet philanthropy, but suffice me to say that through a family trust named for his father, Sri Sanjeeva Hegde, that hundreds of and thousands of people have been benefited over several decades. When Dr. Ballal called on me to invite me to release his biography book to mark his 50 years of healthcare leadership, I expressed my great delight to be here. Dr. Ballal does not look his age, and we wish him many more years of fruitful service to humanity. To be in this service for so long, day in and day out, requires tremendous physical energy, inner strength, and a selfless spirit of service. All that comes only because Dr. Sudarshan Ballal is a leader with compassion, as the title of the book aptly defines the man of the moment, the star of today's function. In medicine, it is not only the treatment that heals, but it is often the presence of the healer, because he continues to lead with compassion. Anyone who interacts with him instantly feels the positive energy from him. Dr. Ballal, we want you to continue serving the community for several more years. And the Almighty will bless you with great and health and strength to do the same. So please don't retire from your service early. You are a living example of how to treat people with gentleness and respect. Your model of compassionate leadership must be emulated by the young healthcare professionals across the state and beyond. The best clinical tool, in my opinion, is the tool of compassion that we know, Karuna, Karune, or Kanikara. My friend and beloved Dr. Sudarshan Ballal is an embodiment of these qualities. It strengthens the patient-doctor bond in a way no technology ever can. A physician's kindness, the one that you can easily associate with Dr. Sudarshan Ballad, has the transformative power to heal the body, drive out anxiety, and bring holistic healing to the people. Therefore, it gives me immense pleasure, joy, and happiness to publicly release this inspirational leadership biography of Dr. Sudarshan Ballad, the aptly titled Leading with Compassion. Once again, I convey my hearty congratulations to Dr. Sudarshan Ballad and the team that came up with this wonderful biography. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.